Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, students. Students, daily lessons you have to read and learn. I am giving in the Zoom meeting homework for you. That homework must be studied and written in your homework notebook. Okay, in a 200-page notebook. Okay, you keep and write on it. And in the Zoom meeting next class, we should show that question answers. Okay. Here, yesterday we have started this 11th lesson, employee selection process. 10th lesson we have learnt about the recruitment or the methods or the sources of recruitment, internal sources and external sources we have learned. So after that recruitment, they will ask them to apply for the job, isn't it? That is recruitment. Then they will selection only is a continuous process. Here many steps available. Okay, they have to send the application, then conducting test. At sending the application, they will receive many application. Okay, that they have to advertise their want of employees in the any newspaper or in any magazine. Okay, then they will receive many applications, then they will conduct test for the whom they like. Okay, then interview will be there, checking references, then physical examination, then the approval should be got from the authorities, and the selected candidates will be given for the orientation program. Okay, or they will sign the labor contract. Okay, then at last they will place them in the job. Okay, placement will happen. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of selection. Okay, here what is selection means, there will be many applicants, isn't it? Among them we have to select some of them, isn't it? That is called selection. Among a great group, we are selecting a few. Okay, some numbers will be rejected and some will be selected, isn't it? That is called selection. Here, that in our that ordinary meaning of selection. But here in this at the time of recruitment, what is called selection? Here we can say it is a process that we divide the total classes of applicants into two. That means those who are offered employment and those who are not offered employment. Okay, that we can say, that is called selection. In another word of David and Robbins, they say that selection is a managerial decision-making process. Okay, to predict which job applicants will be successful if they are hired. Okay, they have to identify and they will select those applicants. Okay, they will first predict who will be successful. That for this one only they are going to conduct many tests. Okay, then that person will be hired. Okay, now we will learn about the steps in the selection process. We will learn in detail. In beginning we studied, application. That is called, first one is called application blank. Application blank. Many process, many steps are there. 6 steps available. Okay, in the selection process. Application blank. Then application blank itself includes that they will scrutinize the applications. Then they have to conduct various tests. Okay, then after conducting test, they have to do the interview. Okay, interview will be conducted. Then after that interview, they will select them and they will do physical examination. Okay, then a reference check will be done. Okay, physical examination and a reference check. Then the approval of the higher authority will be got. Okay, then the final selection will be done and they will sign the labor contract. Okay, that means that contract, employment contract we used to say. Okay, So first we will learn about this application blank. What is application blank? How they do this application? Okay, many even government organization, okay, government public sector undertaking, government organization, then many service commission, okay, public service commission we say, no, that is called selection commissions. Then the recruitment boards, TRB, okay, then any other railway recruitment board. So these boards, then any other public sector companies or private sector companies, what they have, all these people, they have the special format, okay, of the application form, their own format they will have, okay. Either they will supply the application form to the candidates to be filled up, or they will ask them to download from the internet, that is uploaded by the organization, okay. Sometimes what will happen, voluntarily some will apply for the job, okay. So if anyone has voluntarily applied and has come, what they will ask when they come for the interview, they will ask them to fill up the form that is available in the organization. Why they are asking? Why they are not satisfied with the application that is given by the people, those who have voluntarily come for the organization? Because many information, what are the information they have decided to collect, all the information must be collected, okay. Many information, what are the information they collect, we can say, that means the family background, isn't it, where they are, where their that temporary address, permanent address, okay, their occupation of the father, what the mother does, okay, many things we ask. So the family background will be known by the organization, okay, family background. Then their educational qualification, then experience, okay, experience, then any that co-curricular activities, okay, CCA, maybe the extracurricular activities, ECA, okay, or what is their scale of pay that they have already got, okay. All these many other things will be known by the organization, okay. That is called application blank. So what they will provide? They will provide a format for application form. They will ask the applicants to fill up those forms. Only then they can collect all the information, okay. Then the second process is, that means in the application blank only, that is scrutinizing the application, okay. In number one, application blank, first one, okay. Then in that one, second process, what they will do, they will scrutinize the application, because once they advertise in the newspaper, they may receive many more applications, okay. Many applications will be received, so they cannot sit and they cannot call all the applicants for the interview, okay. So they have to shortlist these applications, okay. They may have some measures to shortlist. What we can say, maybe the age, okay, age group, okay, 30 to 25 to 40 or 25 to 45, okay. So other age group people's application can be thrown away, okay. So as per that one gauge, or the experience, those who do not have experience can be rejected. Okay, then experience will be one criteria. Okay, or the qualification. Okay, qualification degree. Okay, then less than the degree they may not accept. Okay, age, experience, then qualification, or that whether how much marks they have, percentage of marks they have got. Only those who have received first class marks only will be selected. Okay, or their, we can say the quota, that's reserved quota. Okay, only the reserved quota they have to have. Okay, only from backward and SC, ST alone they are going to employ. Okay, otherwise they are going to employ only the forward caste people. Like that, they may have some criteria to shortlist the applications. Okay, then after that they will call for the interview. Okay, then before the interview only, here they are conducting the test. Usually bank exam and all, how they do. Okay, there they never shortlist all these things, isn't it? They will give everything within the this in the application, in the advertisement. Those who are having completed this much age group of people, then experience, those who have qualification. Okay, and they will conduct a test. If a person pass in that test only, will be called for interview. So here many types of tests available. Okay, selection test. So why we are conducting this test? Whether that person, whether the candidate, okay, he possesses the necessary qualification to perform the various job in an organization. They are testing whether he is capable to do or to perform his duty. Okay, here two types of test available. One is ability test. The other one is personality test. Okay, what is first we will learn about the ability test. Okay, what are the ability test? Ability test is again divided into four. But first, what is the ability test? Whether he is able to perform. Okay, so whether he has some special skill or his problem solving capacity, then whether he has the knowledge of that particular job. Okay, how about his reasoning ability? All these will be checked. Okay, or we can say in short, whether they will find whether he is suitable for the given job. Okay, whether he is suitable to perform the particular job. Okay, that is checked, that is tested in this ability test. Various tests. Okay, first one is aptitude test. Aptitude. Okay, aptitude test alone we are going to see today. Okay, what is aptitude test? Aptitude test is also we are checking the suitability of the person to perform a job. Whether he is suitable to do that job. That is checked by the aptitude test. Okay, or they are predicting the ability and how he will perform in future. That means the future performance is predicted by conducting this aptitude test. Okay, what is the first one? This numerical reasoning test. This numerical reasoning test. In future, you may go after studying degree. You may go for applying that bank exam, okay, they may conduct test. That time you will have all these tests, okay. That test they will have for 25 marks or 100 marks. All the test will be there. Numerical reasoning, okay, here we know numbers will be given. All will be multiple choice question only, okay. They have to select a particular answer. From that they will conclude whether that person is understanding, whether he is able to take a decision. For that thing only various aptitude tests are available. First one, numerical reasoning test, okay. So how he solves problems, okay, with the numerical data. Numerical data means the numbers, isn't it? How he takes decisions with the numerical data, okay. Then second one, the verbal reasoning test. This one, verbal means here that words, okay. Here also one text will be given. This one is best example is the comprehension. They will give a passage and some questions will be there. We should answer. So how carefully we read that paragraph and how we understand that question and how we write the answer, okay. They will understand, okay, he is able to understand the language, okay. That is called verbal reasoning test, whether he is able to understand the words, English words, okay. Then inductive reasoning test. Inductive reasoning test. This one, they will be giving some big problems, okay. What that problem may that arise in the factory or in an organization, okay. Then that place, how that person will react, how he will solve the problem, okay. That means that how the problem solving capacity of the person, how he solves the problem, okay. How he is using his logical thinking, okay. They will check the logical reasoning capacity of the applicant, okay. Then that mechanical reasoning test. This is related to that engineering students, okay. That is related to engineers. They are asking, they will give a particular situation, how they are solving that one with their that engineering knowledge, okay. Engineering facts and concepts, how they apply and solve the problems. That is mechanical reasoning test. Then diagrammatic reasoning test. Here they will be given many diagrams, okay. Each diagram will be in one shape. So they have to conclude what will be the next one, okay. Their diagrammatic reasoning, okay. With the diagram they have to work and find out the answer. Then spatial reasoning. Spatial. Here they will be giving some shapes, okay, or some images. From there, how they take, how they conclude, how they take a decision, okay. That will be measured, okay. Some shapes will be given. That is called spatial reasoning test. Then situational judgment. Situational judgment test. Here some critical situation will be there in the factories or in the organization. That time how they will whether they are able to overcome that critical situation, okay. So that will be here also. They may give some situation, you are in this year, what will you do, okay. They will give many options, okay. They will ask them to select any one option, okay. We cannot say that one answer is wrong but the most suitable answer they will have. Okay, that will be selected. Mental arithmetic test. Here arithmetic, that means the mathematical calculation. Okay, mental arithmetic, how fast they calculate, okay, the problems. Okay, their arithmetic means we know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. How they solve these problems. Okay, that arithmetical, how speedily they are doing the calculation, that is checked. Then vocabulary test, whether that person is able to speak, or whether he is fluency is there in English. Okay, so here also they will give some that some they will never ask them to write a paragraph, but they will check whether they know with the grammar. Okay, vocabulary test. Or even in English also we have that vocabulary one, isn't it? That means how that homophone and all comes, isn't it? Then the syllable, all these things come under vocabulary. So whether they know to read what they know about English, that will be checked. Then number sequence test. Here they will give some pattern. Okay, the number maybe that 1 2 1 3 5 like that. Then what the next is 1 7 9 11 like that. Okay, so that sequence, the logic they have to understand, and they have to fill up the sequence. Okay, they have to understand the pattern of that sentence. Okay, that numbers, that is called number sequence test. Okay, I will mark and give in the Zoom meeting class. Okay students, thank you very much.